Quality control is crucial in processing dairy-based food products to ensure they meet the highest standard of safety, taste, and consistency. In this video, we will discuss the processing of hard ice cream versus soft ice cream and its quality control impact on consumer satisfaction. Now, let's dive into some interesting trivia about soft ice cream and hard ice cream. Firstly is soft serve invention. Soft serve ice cream was invented by Tom Carver in 1934. He accidentally broke down his ice cream truck and realized that the melted ice cream had a unique smooth texture. This inspired him to develop a machine that could produce soft and creamy ice cream. Second is overrun. Soft serve typically has a higher overrun, around 30 to 60%, giving it a lighter and fluffier texture compared to hard ice cream, which has a lower overrun, which is 20 to 30%. Churning time. Hard ice cream requires a longer churning time during production compared to soft serve. This extended churning time helps develop the dense and creamy texture of hard ice cream. Now, both soft and hard ice cream have their unique characteristics, and choosing between them ultimately comes down to personal preference.
For information, ice cream can be divided into two types, which are hard ice cream and soft ice cream. You may have served this delicious dessert more than a few times, but have you ever wondered how it's made? Actually, the production of both hard and soft ice cream is almost the same, except for their freezing methods. First thing first, for ice cream making, we start with the raw materials. Milk, cream, sugar, stabilizers, and flavors are all received and stored to create the perfect mix. Next, we blend the mixture to perfection, ensuring that every ingredient is blended in perfectly. To ensure absolute cleanliness, the mix goes through pasteurization, heating it to high temperature and dissolving all the additive and ingredients while also killing bacteria. The mix goes through homogenization next, where it is forced through small openings and the fat globules are broken down to create a uniform texture. After this, the mix is cooled down at 4 degrees Celsius and aged in tanks for about 15 seconds.
The next step is egging. The mixture is left to rest for at least 4 hours, usually overnight. This allows for the fat to cool down and solidify, and for the protein and polysaccharide to fully absorb water. The main difference between soft and hard ice cream lies in the freezing process. Soft ice cream is made using a continuous canning and freezing method. This mixture is continuously stirred while being frozen to incorporate air and prevent large ice crystals from forming. On the other hand, hard ice cream is made using a batch freezing process. The ice cream mixture is kerned and frozen separately in a machine. During this kerning process, the mixture freezes slowly, allowing larger ice crystals to form. This slower freezing process gives hard ice cream its denser and firmer texture. The final step is hardening. The ice cream is packaged and placed in a blast freezer set to a temperature between -30 and -40 degrees C. Hard ice cream is packaged from the freezer and then go through a hardening process to freeze more of the water in the mixture, resulting in a firmer texture.
Quality control is crucial for ensuring the best ice cream quality. One important step is checking the raw material to make sure they meet standard. We visually inspect the ingredient and test sample in the lab. For soft ice cream, we testing like fat content, pH, and viscosity to establish criteria. For hard ice cream, we use a testing analyzer to test hardness. The main quality factor are fat content, total solid, overrun, and melting rate. Overrun is the increasing in volume for incorporating air during freezing. This factor affect the ice cream texture and creaminess. Soft ice cream and hard ice cream undergo different processes to achieve their desired qualities. Soft ice cream, which has less fat, require lower temperature and shorter duration for pasteurization and homogenization. On the other hand, hard ice cream need higher pressure during the homogenization to create a smoother texture. Checking the ice cream appearance, texture, flavor, and scent is important.
Next is microbiological testing. It is crucial for ice cream, a dairy-based product that naturally contains microorganisms. Tests like coliform count, salmonella, and listeria monocytogenes are conducted to ensure safety. Process monitoring. The recipe makes quality. The ice cream must follow the flow of the process to make the desired quality in all aspects. Thus, monitoring the process is important to prevent misprocessing leading to low quality and defected product. Last but not least, storage distribution. Storage distribution quality control ensure that ice cream maintains its quality, safety, and integrity throughout the supply chain. This involves monitoring temperature, managing the cold chain, maintaining proper storage condition, and controlling the inventory.